The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Just a reminder, guys, the course sale ends tonight. So this is your last chance to get 50% off for my course. So let's take a look at BABA. Basically, we just had new 52-week lows this week, so this stock is definitely a very bearish one, but it's not the only one that's bearish. A bunch of other stocks are not doing that great either, so it's not just Chinese stocks. So let's take a look at BABA and see if we can find out where it's headed next. Well, the downtrend is still in play. It's pretty obvious that we cannot get above this EMA. You can see that we're finding resistance every time we come to the EMA, and if we do break it, you can see what happened last time. It was just a pop-up, a fake breakout. We fell right below the EMA, found resistance, and then we continued lower. So even if we do pull back, we could find resistance at that EMA. It's just very obvious and clear of what can happen. Basically, we're probably just going to continue lower in the future. The measure move target is almost reached. I've been saying this for the past several weeks now. This was the first leg, this is the second leg, and the target is right around that $65-$66 level. So we came to the mid $69 level, but I think there's still enough room for prices to drop, especially of how bearish this market is. I believe they're going to be taking out and reaching all the targets. So even if we do see a pullback for BABA, we could pull back up to that probably that $80 level. That's the resistance zone if we do pull back to it, and that'll be the first break of this yellow channel, which can lead to lower prices again, and we'll probably just get rejected off that $80 level even if we do pull back that high, which is doubtful also. Let me zoom out on the chart. You can see right here we made two legs up. This was the first leg up, this was the second leg up. We started continuing lower, so if I do a bigger long-term measure move, let me see where this target is. And you can see this target's very close to the $65 target. This is right around the $60 target. So there's some confluence there. Basically, BABA wants to reach the mid 60s to low 60s in the future. So probably sometime this year, probably reaching those levels unless we see a very large pullback occur. We'll have to wait and see. It does look like earnings are estimated to be releasing on November 4th. So we're going to see if that catalyst leads prices to dump or rise up. It just depends on where prices are on the chart. Basically, if we just made new 52-week lows, it's a low probability to get a dump. So it just depends on where we are. If we are at the top of a pullback right over here, and then earnings are released, most likely we're going to see a dump. So it's not really random at all. Just where we are on the price, trading relative to when earnings are released. So basically, my prediction is that for next week, we could just go sideways a little bit, but even if we do see a pullback up, we're just going to see low prices continuing towards the end of the year. So that's all I have for BABA on the daily chart. Let's go and wrap it up on the weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart for BABA, and like I showed you guys on the daily chart, on the weekly chart, we've been also getting rejected by the EMA after every pullback, and if we do break above it, it's very short-lived and we just sell off immediately. So what we want to see is prices be above the EMA and hold consistently. We don't want to see the opposite occur because this is a very bearish downtrend. So BABA is very close to the all-time lows. So all-time lows is at the 58, 57. Since we're trading right here, might as well just hit that level. Why would they bring the market up to the 314, 315 level and then bring it back down to the $72 level to stop and reverse? So most likely they're just gonna reach the all-time lows for the stock or even break it. I think there's a good chance of that occurring unless something drastically changes. We'll be looking out for that. So that's all I have for Baba. Still a very bearish stock. It's not alone though. A lot of Chinese stocks are pretty bearish, and even US stocks. So maybe next year we're gonna have a bottom and see prices reverse. So that's all I have for Baba. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video in front of your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye. What's up, traders? The Vee Trades membership is finally live. I know there were a few people who were asking for daily updates on the SPY or even more specific chart videos, so this membership will solve your problems. This membership includes a lot, so I wanted to go over what is included. So once you join, the first thing you're going to notice is that you get a private Discord community. You know, this is where you can ask questions. Also, I'll be posting the SPY recap, the daily SPY recaps on here. It's going to be probably just a picture and a paragraph explaining what has happened during the day and if it affects the long-term view. Video is not really useful because one candle is not going to really change that much. So the picture will definitely help. I'm going to keep my channels on there, and we're going to see if the channels are changing throughout the week or the prices are still within them, and if we can still believe that long-term target will be reached. So basically, you get the private Discord community, you get daily SPY recaps, you get to ask me questions via privately or through the member group. So I know this sometimes people ask on YouTube, hey, like, I think the price is headed here or whatever, what do you think? And it's not easy for me to explain with just words. Easier if I just send a picture to you or post it in the group, and then you guys will get it much quicker. You can also post your own predictions. I know there's a lot of you guys who also do TA, and you want to post your predictions, see which one's more likely to occur. That's also fine too. So also you get a member only video, which includes 4 different charts. So this is gonna be Commodities Wednesday, and we'll go over Bitcoin, gold, silver, and oil. So those are the things I like to track myself. Oil basically dictates your gasoline prices. Bitcoin also too, very important because it's a very high risk, high reward play. So we want to know where that's going. Gold, silver, basically, if you know gold and silver, how that's doing, you can see how like pretty much the dollar is doing. They're kind of like inversely correlated sometimes. And then lastly, we'll have a special weekly member only stock video. I'm pretty tied up on YouTube, and again, like I'm gonna mention, I'm gonna continue to do Meta Tuesdays, Baba Fridays, and SPY Sundays on YouTube. So I'm not really taking anything away from including this. This is basically for the serious chartist. Basically on YouTube, I give you guys, like if you picture a sandwich, I give you the tomatoes, the lettuce, and the pickles. But if you want everything, if you want the buns and the meat and the mustard and the ketchup, then you can join the membership. So that's the extra stuff that you won't find on YouTube. So lastly, the special weekly member only stock video. That's every Thursday, and we can go over like Tesla, Apple, Google, just one of them based on popularity and whatever is chosen. But basically, that's everything included in the membership. I'll give you guys 2 discounts. Basically, if you're the one of the first 30 people to join the membership, you're gonna get $4.99 off. That's only $10 for the first month. It's a trial. I'm not sure how this is gonna go or if I'm gonna continue doing this. So I want to give you guys a discount if you're new. So the first 30 people will get $4.99 off. So that's only $10, very low risk. And I know for sure you're gonna get a lot of value out of this. And the second coupon code is for people who bought my course. You're gonna get a little bit more. It's 50% off for 2 months. So that's basically $750. Very low risk also there. So if you bought my course, I want to help you out and give you 50% off for 2 months. So the first 30 people to join, use the coupon code FIRST. And then if you bought my course, let me know and I'll give you guys a special discount code, and I'll just verify your email address in the system. So that's everything I have for the Vee Trades membership. I know it's gonna be really fun. We can finally talk privately with each other more quicker, and I know it's gonna be a big benefit. So go and join today, and I'll see you guys in the Discord group.